Hello everyone. Let's start our history class. Chapter number 1. Sources of history. Now, tell me that what is the historical sources? Yes, historical sources are original sources that contain important historical information. These sources are something that inform us about history at the basic level. Till now, we have studied the history of ancient, medieval, and modern India. Ancient period in India began with Stone Age and lasted till 8th century CE. Medieval period, the period from 9th century CE till the end of the 18th century CE. This year, we have to study the history of India in the post-independence era from year 1961 CE to 2000. Sources of modern history are different from those of ancient and modern history. Sources of modern history. We can study modern history with the help of written sources, oral sources, audiovisual sources, and material sources. Let's see the written sources. In written sources included newspapers, periodicals, diaries, reference books, correspondence, documents in archives, government gazettes, postage stamps, and encyclopedia. Now, newspapers, print media and newspapers. The print media includes newspapers, periodicals, newsletters of various movements. You can see here are the types of newspapers. And in the beginning of the period in 1961 to 2001, there was no alternative to the newspapers. However, due to liberalization and use of the internet, alternate to print media has become available in India. In spite of this, the print media still continues to be important. Newspapers. We can get information about national and international affairs related to politics, art, sports, literature, and social and culture affairs through newspapers. Most national newspapers have started regional editions, publish supplements which give information on subject related various topics. Newspapers are a major source of information. They are considered as the fourth pillar of democracy in modern times. The other three being the judiciary, executive, and legislative. Archives. Do you know what is the mean by archives? Historical records are documented and preserved at a place called as archive. And the largest archive in Asia is situated at New Delhi. You can see here the picture of National Archives of India. Gazettes. Gazettes, an official newspaper that containing important information about decisions that have been made by a government. Now, next written source is PTI, Press Trust of India. The Press Trust of India is the primary source of information to the newspapers in India since 1951. It includes photographs and articles on financial and scientific issues to the newspapers. The Press Trust of India (PTI) is the primary source of information to the newspaper in India since 1953. It provides photographs and articles on many issues to the newspapers. It has replaced teleprinters by satellite broadcast in 1990. Now it has also started his online service. So this is the important source of in India. And now, newsletters. Newsletters of uses for various movements, the dailies or weeklies of political parties. In newsletters, so many matters are discussed. Institutions, political parties, and movement publish newsletters, and people come to know about their objective, plans, and work through these letters. Business newsletter. You can see here is the one type of newsletter, that is the business newsletter. Some newspapers serve as a mouthpiece that depicts the work done by the political party. And the newsletters also provide information about policies, opinions on different issues related to party or a institution. Newsletters. Several institution movements, example labor movement, etc., published their newsletters. Second point, political parties publish their dailies or weeklies as well as monthly and annual magazines. These magazines are important source of history. Postage stamps. You can see here the picture of one postage stamp. Jal Copper, a fatalist, took the study of Indian postage stamps to the international levels. He edited India's Stamp Journal, and he was the founder of the first Fatalic Bureau in India. He founded the Empire of India Fatalist Society. He gave a scientific bent to his hobby of collecting postage stamps and wrote many books on this subject. You can see here the examples of some postage stamps. Postage stamps reveal a lot of knowledge regarding the changing times, and several changes in the size, subject, and color scheme have taken place in a postage stamp in the post department period. The postal department issues stamps of wide variety of themes and on various occasions. And postage stamps are a valuable repository of history. Now, main points of the postage stamp. Postal stamp reveal a lot of knowledge regarding the changing times. Several changes in the size, subjects, and color scheme have taken place in postage stamp in the post-independence period. The postal department issues stamps of a wide variety of themes and various occasions. Fourth point, the postage stamps are valuable repository of history. Thank you.